Hello and welcome back to Dr. Logic Awkwardly Does Logic. I know I promised you in my previous video that in the next one we would be doing some examples involving the truth conditions. I lied. I need to give you a tiny bit more definition and vocabulary first. So the notion that we introduced in the previous video was the notion of truth with respect to a model and a variable assignment. So we said MV makes phi true if and only if, and then fill in the blank. It depends on the type of formula that phi is. However, we can generalize on this notion, and I want to give you just a little bit of notation to make this the case. So truth is always with respect to a given model and a given variable assignment. However, there are going to be some formulas that are true whatever variable assignment you use. Maybe the model just is a particular way. So we will omit statements of the variable assignment when it doesn't matter which assignment we pick. So we will write just M is a model of phi when MV is a model of phi for every variable assignment V. Now, we can even have a stronger notion of truth where it doesn't even matter which model you pick, that no matter what model you pick or what variable assignment you pick, you will still always end up with a true formula. So in that case, we'll just drop reference to the model at all. And this is the case when M is a model of phi for every model M. Now, this notion here is one that we've seen before. So this was the same notation that we had for the notion of a tautology in propositional logic, something that is true on every truth value assignment. It's the same sort of thing here. It's just that our models are domains plus interpretations, and then we add in the variable assignment if we need that as well. Whereas in propositional logic, it was just the truth tables. So when you see this, you should immediately think, oh, always true. It's just that truth in predicate logic is defined in terms of models and variable assignments. And what this means is it doesn't matter which model you pick, doesn't matter which variable assignment you pick, formula is going to turn out to be true. So there you go. Very brief bit of terminology and notation, which we will use in the next video, which I promise you will contain an example of how to use the truth conditions. So I look forward to seeing you then. Cheers.